Hey guys, I'm Chani and you're watching The Art of Science. Hey, do you guys remember the video that we did on refraction and also one on reflection? If not, make sure you quickly go and watch these videos that I will link up here in the description box below and in the end screen as well. Because in today's video, we are going to learn about this phenomena called total internal reflection, which occurs when light travels from a denser medium like water to a less dense medium or a rarer medium like air and hits the boundary at an angle greater than a certain value called the critical angle. When this happens, the light reflects back into the denser medium instead of refracting out of it. The laser beam follows the path of water stream because the water acts as a waveguide, trapping the light inside due to total internal reflection. For a more in-depth explanation, check out the science behind it video that will be linked in the end of this video and in the description box as well. For more interesting science content, make sure you subscribe to The Art of Science.